Looking to take full control over the color tone in your photos? Adjusting the custom color temperature on your Canon camera lets you perfectly match the lighting. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to manually set the custom color temperature on your Canon camera. Let's dive in right now. First, turn on your camera, then press the Live View button. It looks like a camera icon with a red dot on it. Now press the Q button. Next, use the arrow button, or you can use the touchscreen to select the white balance icon. It looks like a small rectangle under the back icon. Then press Set. Now look at the below. You'll see more options like Auto, Daylight, Shade, Cloudy, and more. These options have value. It's called Kelvin value. Like Daylight has 5200 K. K stands for Kelvin value. Shade has 7000 K. So 2500 K is very cool and bluish. And 10,000 K is very warm and yellowish. So choose one of the styles, then press the Set button to save it. That's all there is to setting a custom color temperature on your Canon camera. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.